Did you know that using synthetic motor oil can extend your engine's life by up to 50%? With vehicle technology evolving, finding the right oil for your car has never been more crucial. So in this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best synthetic motor oils of 2026. Synthetic oils are growing in popularity due to their superior performance. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Between brand reputation, viscosity grades, and manufacturer specifications, it can feel overwhelming. Don't worry. We've narrowed down the top contenders for this year to make your decision easier. And make sure to follow our links because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. So let's take a closer look at what's best for your vehicle in 2026. First up, we have the AMSOIL Signature Series 100% SAE 5W30 synthetic motor oil. When it comes to maximum protection, AMSOIL stands out as a top contender. This oil is engineered to provide exceptional wear protection, keeping your engine running smoothly even under the most demanding conditions. Its advanced formula reduces friction and heat, which helps to extend the life of your engine. AMSOIL Signature Series is known for its superior performance in extreme temperatures, making it an excellent choice for those who drive in harsh climates. One of the key benefits of AMSOIL Signature Series is its ability to maintain viscosity over a wide range of temperatures. This means that whether you're driving in the scorching heat of summer or the freezing cold of winter, this oil will continue to provide optimal protection for your engine. Additionally, it boasts excellent oxidation stability, which helps to prevent the formation of harmful deposits and sludge. This keeps your engine clean and running efficiently, reducing the need for frequent oil changes. Another significant advantage of AMSOIL Signature Series is its extended drain intervals. Unlike conventional oils that require frequent changes, this synthetic oil can last up to 25,000 m or 1 year, whichever comes first, under normal driving conditions. This not only saves you time and money, but also reduces the environmental impact by minimizing waste oil. The oil's advanced detergents and dispersants help to keep the engine clean, preventing the buildup of deposits that can hinder performance. The AMSOIL Signature Series offers great value for its high level of protection and performance. While it may be on the pricier side compared to other synthetic oils, its long-lasting benefits and superior protection make it a worthwhile investment for those who want the best for their vehicle. If you're looking for an oil that can handle the toughest conditions and provide maximum protection, AMSOIL Signature Series 100% SAE 5W30 synthetic motor oil is the way to go. Next, we have the Castrol Edge High Mileage 10W30 synthetic motor oil, specifically designed for high mileage engines. This synthetic motor oil is specifically formulated to address the unique needs of older engines, providing enhanced protection and performance. Castrol Edge High Mileage contains advanced additives that help to reduce leaks, oil burn-off, and power-robbing deposits. This ensures that your high-mileage engine continues to run smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features of Castrol Edge High Mileage is its ability to provide superior wear protection. As engines age, they become more susceptible to wear and tear, which can lead to decreased performance and increased maintenance costs. Castrol's advanced formula helps to minimize wear, extending the life of your engine and keeping it running like new. Additionally, this oil is designed to improve fuel economy, which can save you money at the pump over time. Castrol Edge High Mileage also includes seal conditioners that rejuvenate aging seals, helping to prevent leaks that are common in older engines. This is particularly beneficial for high-mileage vehicles that may experience oil leaks due to worn or brittle seals. The oil's high film strength provides an extra layer of protection against metal-to-metal contact, reducing engine wear and enhancing overall performance. The Castrol Edge High Mileage offers excellent value for those looking to maintain their high-mileage engines. Its combination of advanced protection, performance, and affordability makes it a popular choice among car owners with older vehicles. If you want to keep your high-mileage engine in top condition, Castrol Edge High Mileage 10W30 synthetic motor oil is an excellent option. For those seeking a premium option, look no further than Liqui Moly 2041 Premium 5W40 synthetic motor oil. This German-made oil is renowned for its high-quality formulation and exceptional performance, Liqui Moly 2041 is designed to provide outstanding protection and lubrication, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Its advanced formula helps to reduce friction and wear, which can extend the life of your engine and improve overall performance. One of the key benefits of Liqui Moly 2041 is its excellent thermal stability. This means that it can withstand high temperatures without breaking down, providing consistent protection even under extreme conditions. Additionally, this oil is known for its excellent cleaning properties, which help to prevent the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge. This keeps your engine clean and running efficiently, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. Liqui Moly 2041 also features a high shear stability, which ensures that the oil maintains its viscosity and protective properties even under severe mechanical stress. This is particularly important for high-performance engines that operate at higher RPMs and temperatures. The oil's advanced anti-wear additives provide an extra layer of protection for critical engine components, reducing wear and extending the engine's lifespan. The Liqui Moly 2041 is on the higher end of the price spectrum. However, its premium quality and superior performance make it a worthwhile investment for those who want the best for their vehicle. If you're looking for a high-quality synthetic motor oil that offers exceptional protection and performance, Liqui Moly 2041 Premium 5W40 is an excellent choice. If you're looking for the best value without compromising on quality, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 Synthetic Motor Oil is a top pick. This oil offers excellent protection and performance at an affordable price, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious car owners. Valvoline's advanced formula helps to reduce friction and wear, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features of Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is its ability to provide superior protection against high temperatures. This makes it an excellent choice for those who drive in hot climates or engage in heavy-duty driving. Additionally, this oil is designed to improve fuel economy, which can save you money at the pump over time. Its advanced additives help to prevent the formation of harmful deposits and sludge, keeping your engine clean and running efficiently. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic also includes anti-wear additives that provide an extra layer of protection for critical engine components. This helps to reduce wear and extend the life of your engine, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term vehicle maintenance. The oil's high oxidation stability ensures that it maintains its protective properties over extended drain intervals, reducing the need for frequent oil changes. The Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic offers excellent value for its level of protection and performance. Its combination of affordability and quality makes it a popular choice among car owners looking for a reliable synthetic motor oil. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W20 motor oil is an excellent choice. Finally, we have the overall best synthetic motor oil of 2026. Mobil 1 Advanced 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a clear winner. This oil is renowned for its exceptional performance and protection, making it a top choice for car owners worldwide. Mobil 1's advanced formula helps to reduce friction and wear, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Its superior thermal stability allows it to withstand high temperatures without breaking down, providing consistent protection even under extreme conditions. One of the key benefits of Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic is its ability to provide excellent fuel economy. This can save you money at the pump over time, making it a cost-effective choice for car owners ERS. Additionally, this oil is known for its excellent cleaning properties, which help to prevent the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge. This keeps your engine clean and running efficiently, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. The Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic also features a high level of shear stability, which ensures that the oil maintains its viscosity and protective properties even under severe mechanical stress. This is particularly important for high-performance engines that operate at higher RPMs and temperatures. The oil's advanced anti-wear additives provide an extra layer of protection for critical engine components, reducing wear and extending the engine's lifespan. The Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic offers great value for its level of protection and performance. Its combination of affordability, quality, and superior performance makes it a popular choice among car owners. If you're looking for the overall best synthetic motor oil, Mobil 1 Advanced 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is an excellent choice. And there you have it, the top 5 best synthetic motor oils for 2026. Whether you're looking for maximum protection, the best option for high-mileage engines, premium quality, great value, or the overall best, these oils have got you covered. Remember to always follow your engine manufacturer's recommended specifications when choosing a motor oil. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.